Hello everyone, this is Charlie Woodrum here at the National Weather Service in Shreveport, and we have a potential severe weather event coming up on
March 9th.
that we want to make sure that everyone's aware of coming up here. So if we look at our area, the whole area, southeast Oklahoma, east Texas, northern Louisiana, and southwest Arkansas are all under a potential threat for severe weather on Saturday. And with that threat, we're looking at the potential for tornadoes, hail, and damaging winds. Timing, we're looking at the possibility of storms right now coming through between Saturday morning and Saturday afternoon. But in the next coming days, we'll be looking and refining that information so we can give more specific timing information as we get closer to the event. It'll be important to watch the Storm Prediction Center convective outlooks coming up, and here's the different categories and information about those. Also know where are safe places to go. Have a plan now. In your house, that's an interior lower level, and you want to make sure that you have that plan and know where to go, where a safe place is in your home. Also, if you're out on the road safety is really important with tornadoes. If you have a tornado that's approaching, try to drive away with it from it if you can safely. If not, make sure you don't go to an overpass. An overpass is not a safe place to be. Leave your vehicle and find a safe structure if you can. If not, then you can go to a ditch or cover your head and get very low in your vehicle. It's also very important right now to make sure you have multiple ways to get severe weather. So whether that be from your computer, local TV, radio, wireless emergency alerts via tornado warnings, flash flood warnings. Some communities have outdoor warning sirens. You also want to get the word out to your friends and family now, and if you haven't already, purchase a NOAA weather radio. So as a reminder, we have the possibility for severe weather coming up this Saturday. So please have a plan now. Visit our webpage, weather.gov/SHV. You can visit or call us at 318-631-3669. You can send us an email or visit our social media to get the latest from the National Weather Service in Shreveport. Thank you.